Hello and welcome, Adam Thomas from Bouncing Touch Reflexology. So good to see you and thanks for joining me today. Well, today is exciting because we get to see who won the giveaway contest that we ran recently. So let's go see who won. Alright, so let's get right into finding out who won. So I'm using this app called Gleam. And I'm just looking here on my computer here. So it says draw the winners. And again, just to recap, there's 3 prizes. The first one, let's just pick the winners. Let's see here. Okay, so draw winners. Is it actually going to? Okay, winners to be drawn, 3. Okay, let's hear draw here. Drawing, okay, 10% done, 100% done. It's just circling. What is it doing? All right, cool. So, all right, we have, I am terrible at pronouncing names. So, I'm just going to show them up on the screen here, okay? So, first winner, which is, actually, let's see, how can we do this? Position 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I just want to read it backwards here. Okay. I don't do this too often. But first one up is number 3, which is the foot chart and the hand chart, goes to Candy. Okay, so you'll see your name up here. Okay, so you won. You won these. Yay, so I'll be sending them over to you. And where are you from? Okay, you're in the US. Awesome, that's exciting. So I will obviously contact you and we can figure out shipping details, right? So there you go. All right, so Candy. Number 2 up, which is this medium chart here, is rewarded to Maria. And you are in Ireland. All right, cool. So this gets to go all the way over to Ireland, which is really great. And surprisingly enough, most of my orders that I get, not most of them, but a good percentage of them actually come from Ireland. So I think there's a lot going on over there as far as reflexology. So that's really cool, and I'm excited to send this off to you. And the last one here, number 1, which is the pack of 10 charts here, the foot charts collection, is going to Christine. Okay, and there you are there. And you are in the United Kingdom, so that's pretty awesome as well. And again, I get a lot of shipments and requests to ship over to the UK, which is pretty cool. So yeah, there you go. So that will be, I will contact all of you, and that will be off. We'll figure out the shipping details and I'll ship it off to you. So that's exciting. So thank you again for everybody who entered. You know, this was kind of fun. Maybe I'll do another one. So in the meantime, if you noticed, I haven't been doing too many uploads on my YouTube channel, and that's because I've been working on getting a reflexology DIY course together, which is, you know, do-it-yourself reflexology course. I've been having a lot of comments recently saying, you know, oh, I love what you're showing and sharing on the channel, great tips and tricks and stuff, but how do you do reflexology on yourself? So I've been going through, and what I have done is basically taught what I teach my reflexology students, the session that I teach them. So I go through every point and I show you how you can work that on yourself, and I, you know, which is the best position to get into to work on yourself. And also in the course too, I talk about using different tools, different things to help you work on your own feet, right? Because, you know, when you're working on yourself, can be a little bit uncomfortable. So if you have a little bit of a tool, that will give you just a little bit of extra reach to work on yourself. So anyway, I've been putting together this course. So fairly soon. Stay tuned for that because I will have that available as well. So, and then we'll get back to doing some more regular reflexology videos. So anyway, congratulations to the winners, and thanks for everybody who has been supporting me on this YouTube channel. It's really great, and I'm just absolutely amazed that so many people are actually following. I just thought I'd put a couple videos out there because I get such a help from, you know, if I have a question about something, I usually go on YouTube and there's a video, somebody's made it. So I thought I would like to, you know, contribute by giving back to that community by making some videos, and I'm so surprised and also, you know, grateful that many people seem to like it. And so I'm going to keep going with it. So anyway, so there you go. I will contact you, the winners, obviously. And yeah, until next time, remember to keep those feet happy. Take care. Bye-bye. Yay!